Hey guys, this is just one guy, and I'm back here with the Mistborn project I was working on, and I've added a few new things. As you can see, we got a nice little steel bar right here, and that tells how much of the metal steel the character has and how much powers the character can use. Also, I've added a little enemy, and we can attack the enemy in various different ways. I'll show you now. Ooh, that's a mistake. First, you can punch and kick the enemy. The kick does more damage than the punch, more like a heavy and light attack. You can roll away from them. But what's really impressive is you can actually throw things at him with the steel push. And the impressive thing about it is he's getting hit by each and every one of these, but also the further away you throw it, the more damage he takes. Try to get a good example of it. See? And also, when you use your powers, now it actually uses the steel. This little steel bar it takes away, and when that's empty, you can no longer use your magic. Perfect. Yeah. See if I can try to kill him. I've set it up so he has higher health than the player. But I thought this was pretty cool. And there it is, it killed him. You can see when you use it from far away, it does a lot more damage than when you're up close. Pretty cool. I think I'm finished with the steel powers. Next, I'll probably move on to the pewter powers, which is basically super strength and super durability, since that'll be pretty easy. What it'll be harder is, I think, the brass powers, where they are able to manipulate a person. I'm thinking about putting a conversation system in, but I'm not quite for sure. So that's all I changed about it for right now. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.